Staging experiences are not about entertaining customers, it's about engaging them. And we can do this through new technologies that are being created every day. Events need to create memories in the customer, and one way in doing this is showing the audience something spectacular, or something they haven't seen before. In this podcast, I'm going to talk about holographics and video mapping, animatronics, and finally how social networking can actually take an event further and make it something absolutely spectacular. Projection has been around for a while now and is used at even the smallest of events, projecting onto a screen at the venue. However, video mapping takes this to the next level. The Queen's Diamond Jubilee concert saw video mapping at its finest. A 3D model was taken at the palace using a laser, and then animators created the image that you all remember as the bus going across the palace and people dancing in the windows. Holographic projection is the next level to this, and it's now coming into its own as it's accessible for businesses.
Created for the Design Museum's exhibition for Louis Vuitton shoes, a holograph of Dieter Von Teese's famous burlesque dancer was used to show Christian Louis Vuitton's early inspiration. Holographic projection is part of a new wave of technology where companies such as Nissan are having virtual showrooms and concerts being created with dead artists such as Michael Jackson.
Special effects at events are used to attract attention, generate excitement and sustain interest, and that's from Goldblatt. Animatronics and robotics can be used to do this as part of event design. This has been seen as part of Take That's the Progress Tour, where a 60-foot robot named Om was used in the show to lift performers while they were singing, and later to become fully standing, creating a climax of the performance. By slowly making the robot progress throughout the show, the audience were captivated and their interest was sustained. Another way animatronics can be used is in arena tours, such as Walking with Dinosaurs. However, this is different as the animatronics are actually creating their event. Their event revolves around the fact that the dinosaurs are animatronic and move about the arena. 76% of internet users have access to social network sites in the last 3 months. And although social networking isn't a new technology, there are becoming more and more new ways to use it. The 62-foot Dorito stage at SXSW is a great way to demonstrate this. It's a giant interactive stage with a 4-story high LED screen that looks like a giant vending machine. It is fully interactive with the audience by Twitter. The audience could control lighting, pyrotechnics, and before the performance could choose the opening act via Twitter. They can also control when confetti will come down in the audience and when beach balls are released. Goldblatt says to provide more than just a passive viewing experience, the event design must create an environment that allows guests to participate, to be actors in decorating the dream world. And this sort of event, so interactive, really does do this, which I think is something that's going to become much more apparent in events from now on. So, as you can see, it's really important to stay up with new technology as we move on from the flat screen era onto holograms and animatronics. It's an important part of event design, I feel, as it fulfills one of the 4 realms of Pine and Gilmore's, the aesthetics. If theming becomes important to your event, it's really important to make the dramatic aspects even more dramatic, so they stand out amongst the crowd. The setting can influence the nature of social interactions, and these technologies can help to do this. If it's making the crowd excited, making them wonder what's happening next, then you're going to create a great atmosphere. Billions of dollars are invested every year into product launches, and this new technology will make sure that the event is noticed, it's online, and people have heard about it. And that's what I think these new technologies are going to be used for in the future.